to send emails from Monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video, because it's actually super easy to do. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so just follow me. And yeah, so over here I have this basic template from where you can have contacts and everything. So this might look a little bit similar or it might not, but at least it's very nice to have your contacts listed over here and then their email addresses right over there. Now, if I now click on this person's name, you can already see emails and activities. That is because I am using this template. Let's say there is no template that you have used and this is all not here. I'm going to delete everything real quick just to show you guys how you can actually add this manually. Now over here, once you click on someone again, so click on open, then over here you have the add widget button, and that's where you want to click on. So I'm going to click on there, and then here you can have emails and activities. You can also over here click on it, add view, and then add emails and activities. So I'm going to add it right here. Now over here I have now the emails and activities like I had before, and everything is cool and fine. But to actually connect your email and actually be able to send emails, you want to click on this settings icon. And once you click on there, it says email account setup and privacy. Now, these settings affect your entire account. Email account permissions apply to all workspaces in your account, so keep that in mind. Now, over here on My Connections, you can add an account. So you can either choose Gmail or Outlook. Now, for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Gmail account real quick. So you want to click on Connect. Here, log into your Gmail account. Allow. And now you've connected your Gmail account. So you want to go ahead and go to the settings, and you can now see that we have connected this account. Now here it says this email address is not shared, so it's set to only me, to the account owner. Now here is the second option, and here it says you have two options. So automatically log all my outgoing emails from Gmail Outlook into emails, activities, and timeline, or only log outgoing emails into emails and activities that are BCC'd to this address below. Now this is a sort of like custom BCC address that is connected to your board. So these, when you automatically log all of my outgoing emails, this means that contacts that aren't here in your email list will also be in here. Now, I don't actually recommend that, but of course it's up to you. In this case, that is actually not that nice. I only want to log the outgoing emails that are BCC'd from this address below. So the emails that are listed in my contact list. So over here, you also can set up automations if you would like to. And you can even add a email signature, email branding. So you can remove Monday.com branding from your emails. And then the never log is also an option. So email sent or received from the addresses and domains defined below will never be saved to your CRM, even if they exist as a contact in your brand. So you can actually do that for specific emails right over there. So yeah, that is mostly it. Once you've done that, you can actually start sending emails. So let's say I were to select this contact over here where their email is connected, as you can see. And now we can actually go ahead and create a new email. So over here, you can select the email where you want to send it from. So if you have multiple email addresses, then you can do that. And here you can also do the CC and BCC. And you don't need to do the BCC that are here in that's here in the settings, because you're already sending it from Monday.com. So you can now add a subject and then blah blah blah. So let's just send this real quick. Before I actually send this, you can also set up templates. So you can save new templates and apply them, which is pretty nice. But yeah, then I want you to just go ahead and send it. And there you go. This is now the email that we have just sent. So that's pretty nice. And then the incoming emails back from this email address will also be in here. And then when I close this out and go to this specific person, you can see that this is not here. So now I can only see the emails from the specific email addresses right over here, which is great. Now, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.